Okay, guys, I just want to show how you will take a quiz from me or a test. So I'm going to scroll down to see on Monday. So you will take your quiz. I put it in a pathway. So you can click on this link or you can go under the resources and click here, either way. So the first thing is I'm going to give you some instructions and you need to read these each carefully. So you can use your notes as always, but your notes only include those things that you have written in your notebook. You don't need to use my handouts or a search engine such as Google or anyone else. Remember this unit, there's no calculator. You will have 60 minutes. If you pause the quiz, guys, the time will still tick. So just know you have 60 minutes to submit. Before you take the quiz, you're going to be signing a testing agreement, but you need to make sure that once you submit, stay on the Google form because it will give you a message that gives you the password to use for the quiz. The other thing is when you are doing your scratch work for this quiz, make sure you're neat and organized because you will be submitting this as well. Once everyone has taken it or by Tuesday morning, I will release and let you see which questions you missed and what you made. So let's move forward. So here's the testing agreement. You can do it right here in it. So I'm just going to practice and I'm going to put my last name, my first name. I understand this is open notes. I understand I can only use my handwritten notes. I agree that I will not collaborate with anyone. I also understand I will not use a calculator and I must submit within the 50 minutes. This really should be 60 minutes. So let's click yes on each of those. So here's where you need to make sure once you click submit, it's going to give you the password, which is integrity. So if you need to write that down, you can write that down. Then you're going to start your test and you're going to put in integrity. If you want to make sure you're spelling it correctly, then you're going to continue. Well, let me show that again. Make sure I spelled it correctly. And then here is the quiz. The next thing you'll do is you will submit your work.